celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You see, but you're so baby, baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. I really wanna know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Bridget Michelle, and I am back with another video. If you are new here, I am Bridget Michelle, hence the name. If you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog. I am going to New York this week, and obviously I had to get myself together. Y'all can obviously see my hair is done. I don't really like it, so in the New York vlog, yeah, I probably will see it switched up, but not too much, not too much. But right now I'm just going to get the last thing done, which is my nails and my feet. So I wanted to bring y'all along and just show y'all my preparation for New York. Let's get started. Y'all remember in the last vlog when I brought Trinity a coffee? She did my lashes, so let's get started. Hey, my girl also has a clothing line, so get into her. Yes. Just everything cute in here, y'all. Infinity lashes on the lashes, of course.
That sounds so pretty. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, so you want to do volume today? Is that what I said?
Yes.
And do you want to do cat eye or do you want to do like an open eye?
Cat eye. So isn't it the smaller ones on the inside and then?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's long. And then how long?
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You see, but you're so baby, baby. It's okay, girl.
What color am I dyed?
I love blonde.
Me too. And I'm just like, I'm going to New York. Like, I'm gonna be in my back here. I don't know.
Yeah.
If I want to do ginger.
I just love blonde.
Okay. You solidified my decision. Because I was going to do blonde, but I just had to have another opinion.
Get it to da 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 da. Get it to da. No, money, yeah.
Y'all look, they're finished. They're so full. Oh, I'm so excited. Trinity, you did your thing. Y'all, I feel like a brand new bitch. Like, period. Just look at them. They're so cute. Ignore me, I like you right now, but good morning, y'all. Excuse the way I look. I'm about to get my hair done, obviously. I don't know why a lot of people are telling me they like the color that I have, but I'm about to go dye my hair back blonde. Like, if y'all have ever seen my Instagram or TikTok and you see my hair blonde, y'all know blonde is my color. So I'm about to go dye my hair, and I'm so excited. Like, I haven't had my hair blonde. I haven't had my hair blonde since like July or June. Like, it's been so long, so I'm excited and I can't wait for y'all to see it.
But you're so baby, baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight.
Walk that run, that this how we from. Easy now, don't need figure down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now.
It's back. I think I left it in my big bag.
Where's she going now?
Who?
Machado.
She always going somewhere. That's why I have her name, because I'm just like her.
Yes, I named you after the right person.
You did.
If Michelle got braids, that means she going to.
No, yo no puedo parar de mi trabajo para ayudarte. Aquí en NYC la que me atraso soy yo con mi clienta. Ya yo tenía a ti como lo hiciera. Tú no sabes poner un perro en la cabeza de una persona, mami.
Pero que hay más de la pequeña que de la...
Pero que no le... No...
And just like that, the blonde is back. But we're about to go for a little Starbucks run before we're on to our next place. Actually, I don't even think I'm getting my nails or anything done today, but we're going to Starbucks for a little Starbucks break.
But you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile,
Y'all, I'm so angry. Somebody just tried to park in a no parking space, almost hit me, and made me drop my pink drink. Y'all know how I feel about my pink drink, but luckily Starbucks gave me a new one. But still, like, you just gonna run me over for a parking space, and it's not even a real parking space. I dislike people so much. Okay, y'all, so the nail salon is like literally right under my apartment, so I just walked downstairs so that I could go in there. I hope they don't have no appointments, because I'm just walking in. But this is my first time getting my nails done here, so I hope they do a good job. But they did a good job with my feet the last time, so I think we'll be okay.
Rock that run, that this how we from.
Y'all, is it too early for one? It's like, what time is it? It's 10:30. I'm a day drinker though, so let me not. You know what? I'm gonna be on my best behavior today. Not today. I'll come back later and get some wine, but not today.
Give it to me, give it to me. You see us in the club, we acting real nice. You see us on the floor, we watching all night. We're here to put the body. Wanna see you work your body. You see us in the club, we acting real nice. You see us on the floor. Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. Oh my girl, you see, but you're so baby. It's okay, girl.
Run that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run that this how we from. Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die.
On the floor, you'll be watching all night. Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You see, but you're so baby, baby. It's okay.
Yeah, he did his thing. Got my nails back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just left the nail salon. I wasn't able to get my eyebrows done. I may have to get that done tomorrow because I had to take a test at 1 and it's 12:30. But my guy did his thing, y'all. Like, yes, I got basic French, but still, they are really cute. And just look at everything coming together. Like, my hair, it's all about the color. It's not about the style right now. It's just about the color. And then look at my lashes. Like, Trinity did her thing, y'all. Don't ever play with infinity lashes, okay? Trinity did her thing. But we're gonna end this vlog here because, like I said, I have to go take my test. And I will see you guys in New York. See you guys. Love you, babes. I will see you on Monday. Mwah.